Hi everybody, it's Coach Kevin.
And Cecilia.
And we've got a math game for you called chip trading. We are going to need a whiteboard marker and a whiteboard and a die. We're going to need some macaroni.
Or you could use dried beans or any little pieces that you have.
Awesome. Cece, can you show them how you organized your board?
Yes. Okay, so it might look familiar. In my opinion, I think it looks familiar in place value. Like that.
All right, so now that you've got your boards ready, we're going to choose what number country we want to play. And Cece and I have decided we are going to play sevens country. Now to start the game, the youngest player goes first, and the youngest player is going to roll the die. So Cece got a 5, so she gets to put 5 pieces of macaroni in her first column.
Just this one.
This one, yeah.
Okay. And it can be kind of confusing at first.
Yeah. Now, the object of the game in chip trading is because we chose sevens, the object is to get 1 piece of macaroni into this final column. Now, in order to do that, we need to do some trading. Now, Cece has 5 in this column, and in order to get 1 into this column, she needs to get 7 pieces of macaroni here before she could trade for 1 here. And in order to trade for 1 here, how many pieces of macaroni would you need here, Cece?
7.
7. So can you trade yet?
No.
No. So now it's my turn.
You want me to hold it?
And I got a 2. So I'm going to get 2 pieces of macaroni. And so I can't trade yet. So now it's Cece's turn.
Okay, so I'm going to grab the die. And I got a 6. So that's a little bit more than I needed to get. So I'm going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have 4 left. So I'm going to exchange these and put them back in the pile and take 1 macaroni piece and put it in there.
And let's remind everyone, how many pieces of macaroni do you need in this column to get 1 in this column?
7.
And once you get 1 in this column, you win. All right, now it's my turn. 1. So now I have 3. I cannot trade because I need 7 in this column to get 1 in this column.
Okay, so I got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to take away 7. And I already know how much is in here. It's 8. And I know 8. Wait, I know. I know 8 minus 7 equals 1. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then run there. And that's my turn.
Right, my turn. So I have 3. I need a 4 or more so that I can trade for 1. So I got a 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shortcut. So shortcuts are allowed as long as you can explain it to your partner so they understand. So Cece, I have 3 in my first column.
Yes.
And I needed 4 to be able to trade for 1. But I got 5. So that would be 8. And if I were to take away 7, that would leave me with 1. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that and then trade for 1. Did you see my shortcut?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Now, because Cece understood my shortcut and she saw it, I'm allowed to do it. Otherwise, I would have had to add all the macaroni in and then taken them away. All right, Cece's turn.
So I got a 6.
Now, can you do a shortcut?
Yes, I can.
Tell me your shortcut.
So, since 6 plus 1 equals 7, I can take this one out and then put it back and add this one in because I know that 6 plus 1 equals 7.
All right, so Cece has 3 in her second column. So we're going to keep playing.
3. Okay, so I know 4 plus 3 equals 7.
So can you trade?
Yes.
Okay.
So I can take all those out. Put one in there. Okay, and now, since I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here, then I can take all those out of there and add 1 in here. And then I win the game.
All right, now the game's not quite over yet. Now we got to figure out what each column was worth. Now, when you play this game, chip trading, Cece, what is this column always going to be?
1s.
Okay, let's write the 1. Let's just write that in there. So no matter what country you choose, whether it's 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, you could play as many, whatever you want. That's always 1s. What would this country be then?
7.
7s. So that's the 7s category. Now in America, we use the base 10 model. So this is just like place value where it would be 1s, 10s, 100s. But this is where it gets really fun, is Cece has to figure out what this column is. And Cece, how are you going to do that?
So I'm going to add 7 times.
All right, let's see what that's going to look like. 7 times. So this could be repeated addition or multiplication. Keep in mind, there's lots of ways to do this, and every person's math brain works a little different. So this is just the way Cece's choosing to do it. You could use your macaroni pieces to help you count.
Okay, so I'm going to add 14 3 times, which is 38.
Yeah, you got 49, but
Okay.
so you got the right answer, but tell them how you did that.
Okay, so I had 14 3 times, and then
What's 14 3 times?
it's 42, and then I added a new 42 plus 7 equals 49.
So what would this column be then?
It would be 49s.
49. So every time you get one macaroni in here, it's worth 49. And that's chip trading. We would recommend probably starting with maybe 3 countries. It's a lot easier for younger kids as well. But you could go up as high as you want. The higher number you go, the harder the math gets. You could also add another die. So playing with one die can be a little slow, but when you start to get into like 9s, 10s, 11s, 12s countries, then you might want to do a couple dice. So that's chip trading. And feel free to eat the macaroni.